Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here today because we're diving deep into something we all deal with, stress. Not just everyday stress, but that heavy, demanding kind that builds up from work, family, unexpected problems, and the pressure to hold everything together. In today's extended episode, we're going to explore both simple daily habits and powerful long-term strategies to help you manage stress with clarity, strength, and calm. We've also got real life, stories, easy tools, and motivating reminders to help you feel grounded, even on your busiest days. Let's get into it. Part 1. Daily Stress Management Techniques Start Your Day. Strong, imagine this. You wake up already behind schedule. The kids are shouting, your phone is buzzing, and your mind's racing with everything that needs to be done. That's how Sarah, a full-time nurse and mom of 3, started most mornings, until she made one change, waking up 15 minutes earlier, just for herself. She used that time for deep breathing, journaling, or simply sipping her tea in peace. That tiny window of calm changed how she handled the chaos that followed. Try this. Wake up 15 minutes earlier. Avoid checking your phone first thing. Stretch, breathe, or write down your intention for the day. How you begin your day sets the tone for everything that follows. Stress at work. Focus under pressure. Let's talk about Elena, a doctor working 12-hour shifts. On her most stressful days, she learned to pause for 60 seconds between patient visits to take 3 deep breaths, roll her shoulders, and reset her mindset. That simple act helped her avoid burnout and stay sharp. Try this. Use box breathing. Inhale, 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4. Break your day into chunks. Use the Pomodoro method. Handle quick tasks immediately to avoid mental clutter. Mini breaks. That. Recharge You Ali, a graphic designer, thought skipping breaks made him more productive, but it only made him more anxious and less creative. He started setting a timer to walk or stretch every hour. Now, his mind stays fresh and his ideas flow better. Try this. Take 5-minute breaks every hour. Move your body, walk, stretch, dance, or just breathe. Handling emotional stress in real time. Maya, a teacher, was once yelled at by a parent in front of students. Instead of reacting, she calmly said, "Let's continue this conversation later when we're both calm." That moment of grace saved her energy and her peace. Use the stop technique. Stop, take a breath, observe what's happening. Proceed with intention, set boundaries. You don't have to absorb everyone's energy. Food, sleep, and body basics. Jonas lived on caffeine and skipped meals. He constantly felt on edge. After 1 week of eating real food and going to bed at a regular time, his stress dropped by half. Try this. Eat balanced meals. Drink water. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Rest is productive. Gratitude changes your perspective. Grace lost her job and nearly spiraled, but every night she wrote down 3 things she was grateful for. Over time, her mindset shifted and new opportunities showed up. Try this. Write 3 things you're grateful for each day. Reframe your stress. I have too much to do. I'm trusted with important work. Evening calm. Ending your day right. Layla used to scroll on her phone until midnight. Now she sets a wind-down alarm at 9 p.m., makes tea, stretches, and journals before bed. She sleeps better and wakes up more refreshed. Try this. Stop screen time 30-60 minutes before bed. Create a bedtime ritual. Reflect on what went well today. Part 2. Advanced Stress Mastery Techniques. Understand your triggers. What exactly stresses you out? Priya, a corporate manager, started keeping a stress journal. Within days, she noticed her biggest trigger was her tone of self-talk, not her job. When she shifted her inner voice, her reactions changed. Try this. Keep a log of what stresses you out, when, and why. Write how you reacted and what you could do next time. Train your nervous system. Your body can't relax if it always thinks it's in danger. Breathing techniques, meditation, and cold water splashes all teach your nervous system how to switch from fight or flight to rest and recover. Try this. Daily 5-minute breathing session. Cold water on your wrists or face. Grounding exercise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See, feel, hear, smell, taste. Mental resilience. Bounce back faster. David faced rejection after rejection while job hunting. Instead of giving up, he asked, "What is this trying to teach me?" That question helped him learn, improve, and finally land a better job than he imagined. Try this. See failures as feedback. Repeat. I can handle hard things. Keep a resilience list. Times you've overcome difficulty. Protect your energy. You don't need to attend every argument you're invited to. You don't need to fix everything or please everyone. Try this. Learn to say no without guilt. Cancel unnecessary commitments. Spend time with people who recharge you. Build your circle of support. Mark tried to be strong alone until he hit a breaking point. After joining a caregiver support group, he realized how healing it was to be heard. Try this. Talk to someone you trust. Join online or local support groups. Therapy is strength, not weakness. Design a life that supports calm. A peaceful life doesn't happen by accident. It's a choice, moment by moment, day by day. Try this. Schedule rest-like appointments. Create joy daily. Music, walks, play, nature. Declutter your space and your calendar. Final thoughts, wow. We've covered so much today. And that's because stress isn't just one thing. It builds up layer by layer in our bodies, our minds, our emotions, and our relationships. The truth is, stress is a natural part of life. But how we respond to it? That's what makes all the difference. Start small. Breathe deeply. Use real strategies that fit your day, not someone else's. Be kind to yourself in the process. And remember, you are not alone. You are doing better than you think. You are powerful. You can reset. You can breathe. You can create peace, even in the middle of a storm. Start with one thing, one new habit, one better choice. You don't have to do it all. You just have to start. Closing. Thank you for joining me today on this deep and honest episode about managing stress, not just surviving, but truly thriving through your busiest and most demanding days. I hope these stories, tips, and techniques inspire you to create more calm, focus, and confidence in your everyday life. Remember, small changes can lead to powerful results, and you are capable of making those changes. If you found value in this episode, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who could use a little peace today. Until next time, take care of your mind, protect your energy, and keep showing up for yourself with grace and strength. You've got this.